First we go to Google AdWords, and after we open the page we click start now. After that this is my old Google Ads, but I want to do the new Google account. So you see the new Google AdWords account. As we click, we are waiting to be opened, and then after, so we want to choose which option we want to go. For example, now here we try to get more website sales. Click next. So now I want to use the new website. Click next. I choose my business name. For example, I want to choose fitness this time. I write fitness with my name, and then click next again, and then just copy paste my website name here on the bottom, and then wait. So you can see the website, the information we want to put. So we are trying to copy information from this website. So now you can display your ad. You can write down whatever you want to write here. For example, the headline second, the third description, and another description. This is the optional. For example, so I wrote my name. This is too big. It means that I have to remove it. So you can write whatever you want. So I'm going to write like, for example, fitness with Amir. And so, for example, now I want to just leave it as it is, the same. You can click, you can change it here. You need to use your phone number, which country you are, and then after click your phone number, and then next. So this is the keywords is matched with my research. So for example, I can add any keywords I want, or I can remove it from the top. So for example, I want to remove this one. Now I'm trying to remove another one. Now I'm going to add another keywords, like any keywords you want, which you think is more related and closer to your ads and your website and your customer. They want to go to this keyword and find your website. And then here I can find the location, choose the location. So I want my ad to be only in Greater London, so that's why I removed all the areas which are my ad I don't want to be seen. Or here I can write a specific website, sorry, a specific postcode. So I put W10 for example, and then click next. Here I can set up the budget. The daily recommendation is like 12, but I put 9. Is up to you, but you should like put like at least 9 to 12. Then you can add the be seen is better. And then here again you can review a campaign. So I can review, and then if I want to add or remove anything, I can do it from here. For example, again the location, anything I want. Or again, if I want to add to remove any keywords, I can do that again. And then once everything looks good, I put next, and here I can confirm the payment and the rest. I hope you like it, and hope to see you soon, guys. Take care.